In 1959, Volkswagen decided the real danger of driving wasn't crashes, it was caffeine withdrawal. So they offered an optional extra for the Beetle, a built-in coffee maker. It was called the Cafe Automat, mounted inside the car and wired straight into the electrical system. On long drives, you could heat water and brew coffee from the dashboard while driving. No cup holders, no safety standards, just boiling liquid, electricity, and German confidence. Today, it's incredibly rare and easily one of the boldest accessories ever approved by a car company, because nothing says road trip ready like hot coffee and blind faith.